Hey, what's up guys, it's your girl Animated Angel back at it with another freaking video. And in today's video we are reacting and listening to Key Glock's new album Glockoma 2. Not gonna lie, I started listening to the first song and I was like, nah, let me go ahead and listen with you guys. So the first song is Dirt. I'm gonna be eating my food while I'm listening because she's in the car as well. So let's get it started. I feel like I should eat my ice cream first. I got a cheesecake fudge sundae from Checkers. Y'all, that's a way to start an album off. That song came out the gate 5, like. That song is like, I'm not gonna say it's a 10 out of 10 because I don't want to give my 10 on the first song. So I'm gonna say it's a 9.5 out of 10. I really liked it. It's good as hell. But yeah. The next song is Work. I downloaded that song by the way. Okay. Honestly, I'm gonna download the song because I feel like it's a good workout song. Yeah, I think it's a good workout song. I don't think it's the best song. Not as good as that first song. That first song came out the gate like bam, but this song, it wasn't my favorite. So I'm gonna give this song like 6.5 out of 10. But yeah, right now I'm about to eat these marinara sticks. These are good. Okay. Hold on, let me finish this real quick. The next song is Randy Orton. I'm eating some cheese fries now, but yeah, like, I like this song. I want to like this song. I might be a little biased because of certain personal reasons about this song. Like, I can't like this song because of certain personal things. Like, I like it, sounds really good, but I'm not gonna download it for personal reasons. But overall, that song was like a good, like, cool 7. Not too bad. But it's not going on that bad. And the next song is Chromosomes. Yeah, I'm gonna download this song. That song is yeah, so I don't think that was a terrible song. I think that was a really good song. I liked it. It had a really good beat. Yeah, and I downloaded it. So I'm gonna give it like 8 out of 10. Not too shabby, not too shabby. The next song is 2 for 1. Let's see. I just love when he says, yeah, or whatever he be saying. I'm gonna take the long way. Wait. I just heard that. My bad, y'all. This is 2 for 1. He just switched the beat up. He just switched the beat up, y'all.
Please pass me my cup, trying to get high.
Hey.
I make this shit look easy, niggas mad, stuff like thunder. Yellow diamonds on me, this shit hitting hard like thunder. I'm all about my.
I feel like an old head when they listen to Jay-Z.
30 rounds in my G-Lock, hit you with a cum. Yeah, I used to be up on the block just like my side, this my brother.
Okay.
And this bros of a hoe.
I like this song. I just feel like the ending was a little bit too long. Like, we could have done without the do part. Like, but other than that, like, that song was really good. That song was really good. I would give that song like a cool 8 out of 10. Okay, well, I don't like the ending, so I'm gonna take off 0.5 points. So I'm gonna say 7.5 out of 10. The next song, holy cow, is Pop My Shit or Pop My Ish, if y'all want to be like, you know. Hey. This song is so cute. Yeah, that song was so cute. Like, it was the beat and like him talking. It was just like a cute song. Hold on. So yeah, I downloaded it. I'm gonna give it an 8.5 out of 10. That song was so cute. Okay, the next song is Designer Down. And if you didn't know, I really do like Key Glock's music, and I've been listening to Key Glock since like maybe like 2018. Nothing crazy. All right, Designer Down. This low-key sounds like a Babyface Ray type beat. Just saying. Y'all know I love the Babyface Ray. Okay, so I couldn't even finish that song. I just wasn't vibing with it. Like, it was a good song. He had a good flow, but I just wasn't vibing with it was either the beat or the flow or what he was talking about. It was not for me. Like, yeah, I just didn't really like it. So, I mean, but it wasn't terrible. But I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10. Like, it just wasn't the song for me. And that was the 7th song, so we're about halfway done with the album. Overall, the album has had more hits than misses so far. So far, so good. Next is From Nothing, song number 8.
Hey, yo, hey.
I just love when the beat slowly kicks in. Like, it just does something to me. Y'all, I like that song. I think I like the guitars within the beat. Hold on. Yeah, I liked it. Another downloadable song. It didn't stick out. Like, nothing about it really stuck out, like, in comparison to all his other songs. But yeah, I'll give it a solid 7.5. The next song is Key Rex. I just want to turn it up. I already started off like that. Okay, I understand completely what they mean when they say that male rap is toxic. Like, I completely understand, but it be sliding though. Like, he's sliding, but he's talking about like some stuff that I may not agree with, but it's really like promoting like trapper mentality, like get the bag, that type of vibe. And I mean, it's a good song. He's sliding. I do like the ad-libs in it too. Like, it's like low-key like in there, but he is saying some toxic stuff. But I did download it because it's like a good workout song. But a lot of male rap, it's not just Key Glock, a lot of male rappers be talking about a lot of like toxic stuff. That's why our generation, that's one of the reasons why the generation of men is a little bit like this, if you get what I mean. All right, so the next song that we got is In and Out of Town.
Hey, yo, bad play.
I don't like it. Yeah, I just don't like it. It's not for me. I am going to give that song. Key, if you're watching this, Key baby, don't be mad at me, but that song is a 3 out of 10 for me. It's just like, it's no breaks, like it's nothing switching it up, no beats, like you're doing the same exact flow, like, yeah, it's a 3 out of 10 for me. Don't be mad, Key, okay, if you're watching this. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. Anyways, next song is Fuck That Shit, or F That Ish.
Sick of these lying ass niggas. Hey, I just want the money, but get that shit right back. Oh yeah, I love this shit.
I kind of like this song.
Cause sometimes I love this shit too much. Time and temper, you can take a look at what's up in.
Yeah, I mean, it was a cool song. I downloaded it. It wasn't like anything special or anything like that, but it was like a cool song. Nothing bad with it. So I'll give it like a 6.8 out of 10. All right, so the next song.
That girl like, what? That young nigga top row. Yeah, I'm riding in the drop top row.
This is Money Over Hoes, by the way.
Bro, I ain't got no friends, just foes. Yeah, and you know I'm sticking to the code. Nigga, I put money over hoes. What?
Not too shabby, not too shabby, not too shabby. I downloaded it. A lot of this album is all about money. Like, money, 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 money. I mean, like, I like money too, but it's like, boy, can we talk about something else? Like, I downloaded the song because, again, like, one thing about Key Glock is he knows how to slide on a beat. He knows how to slide on a beat. But the thing is, like, he just keeps talking about the same things. Like, let's switch it up. Let's talk about something else. But, yeah. Overall, I mean, that's a 6 out of 10 for me. I downloaded it, but it was just, like, repetitive. How many more songs do we have? We have 3 more songs. Next song is Ratchet.
Yeah. Ass nigga, 10-4, still a wretched ass nigga. Baby, yeah, I do this for football, bitch. I'm done like these capping ass niggas. Got clips like the movie for these acting ass niggas.
I mean, what can I say? That song was, I feel like the last few songs I was listening to was real, like, mellow, chill, whatever. That song was more of like a hype song. I liked it. I'm just kidding. But yeah, overall, I would give that like a 7.8 out of 10. It's not really an 8, but it's good. All right, the next song is Homicide Gang. Let's see. I don't really like the title of this.
And the overkill, and the ops, they know we is. March ain't cost a $250,000 plus a 60, that's the real. Bitch, I'm signed to the field, yeah, I still ain't signed the deal. Percocets no in the drip and getting money still. Yeah. Every time you see me, I got 2 cups, they like you still. Yeah. Every time you in my clip, even though I be on some solo shit, my OTC, my Jesus, bitch, and she said goddamn holy shit.
Okay, y'all, let's be real. This beat is fire. This beat is fire. His flow goes really good with the song. It's really hard. I'm sorry, I'm yelling. My bad. It's really hard for Key Glock to make a bad song, in my opinion. It really is. I'm gonna give that song an 8 out of 10. Alright. Last but not least is Fuck a Feature, or F a Feature.
You are crazy, yeah. drop a sequel. You know I rep that vibe, bitch, I do this for my people. I'm smoking on some side, but my auntie call it beef. Hey, fuck the rap game, just pay myself for a feature.
Yeah.
Fuck the rap game, I pay myself for a feature.
I had to download it. I had to.
Hey, fuck the rap game, I pay myself for a feature.
That's how you do it. That's how you end the album. That's how you do it, bro. Bro, pass me, bro. But literally, that song, a good 9 out of 10. That's, or maybe even a 9.5 out of 10, yeah. Because that song was doing something to me. Overall, I would give the whole album an 8 out of 10. It was a lot of the songs slapped. And honestly, it's really hard for Key Glock, in my opinion, to make a bad song. If you like his style of rap, you are gonna have some of the similar opinions as me. You might even like some songs that I don't like. But yeah, guys, if you like this video, if you vibe, if you want to subscribe to me, please. We are on the road to 100 subscribers. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. It's me, your girl, Infinite Angel.